U.S. Defence Company Teledyne FLIR has introduced its latest Rogue 1 loitering munition system, equipped with advanced electro-optical and thermal cameras, flight time of 30 minutes, with speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour and range of over 6 miles. It offers day and night reconnaissance capabilities, delivering precise lethal strikes against variety of targets. The PLA Navy's newest aircraft carrier Fujian returned to Shanghai's Zhongnan shipyard after completing flawless 8-day maiden sea trial. China's state-owned media announced that the aircraft carrier successfully tested its electrical and power systems and achieved expected results from its first trial. U.S. Marine Forces tested four-legged unmanned ground vehicle armed with artificial intelligence-enabled rifles. The rifle reportedly uses an AI-assisted digital imaging system to automatically detect targets before receiving authorization from human operator to engage. A drone struck an oil refinery in Russia's Republic of Bashkortostan, nearly 1,200 kilometers from the border with Ukraine, the most far-reaching drone attack on Russian target in the war so far.